In a world obsessed with perfection, the Wabi-Sabi philosophy offers a refreshing antidote. It celebrates the beauty of the imperfect, the impermanent, and the natural. And what better space to embrace this philosophy than your living room, the heart of your home? Wabi-Sabi, a flawed yet flawless embrace. Wabi-Sabi is a Japanese aesthetic that finds beauty in the simple, the rustic, and the time-worn. It's about accepting and appreciating the natural imperfections of life. The cracks in a ceramic pot, the wrinkles on a loved one's face, the knots in a piece of driftwood. It's about letting go of the pursuit of flawless perfection and finding serenity in the quiet elegance of the real. Bringing nature indoors. Nature is at the heart of Wabi-Sabi. Think of a fallen branch transformed into a sculpture, a moss-covered rock as a side table, or sunlight casting dancing shadows on exposed brick walls. Bring the outdoors in with earthy tones, organic textures like wood and stone, and plenty of natural light. Let the imperfections of nature, a gnarled branch, a weathered stone, become conversation starters and sources of quiet contemplation. Imperfect harmony. Wabi-Sabi isn't about minimalism or strict design rules. It's about creating a space that feels personal, lived in, and authentic. Don't be afraid to mix and match furniture pieces, inherited treasures, and handcrafted items. Embrace the asymmetry, the mismatched textures, and the unique patina of time. In this harmonious imperfection lies the true beauty of a Wabi-Sabi living room. Finding inner peace. There's a reason why Wabi-Sabi resonates with so many people today. In our fast-paced, digitally driven world, it offers a much-needed escape to simplicity and serenity. Spending time in a Wabi-Sabi living room, surrounded by natural elements, handcrafted objects, and the quiet hum of imperfection, can be a balm for the soul. It encourages us to slow down, appreciate the present moment, and find beauty in the everyday. The Wabi-Sabi living room, where the beauty of nature's imperfections harmonizes with the pursuit of inner peace. Wabi-Sabi, a Japanese aesthetic philosophy, embraces the transient and imperfect nature of life, finding profound beauty in simplicity, authenticity, and the passage of time. In this unique living space, the ethos of Wabi-Sabi becomes a guiding principle, transforming your home into a sanctuary of tranquility and mindfulness. Picture a living room adorned with furniture and decor that tells a story of time's gentle touch. Embrace the natural imperfections in materials like wood, stone, and textiles. A reclaimed wooden coffee table, weathered by years of use, becomes a centerpiece with its own narrative. The cracks, knots, and uneven surfaces become a testament to the organic journey of life, each mark adding character and depth to the room. The Wabi-Sabi living room welcomes nature's asymmetry with open arms. Consider introducing handmade pottery with irregular shapes and textures, celebrating the unique fingerprints of the artist and the unpredictability of the kiln. Soft, earth-toned linens and textiles, bearing the gentle wrinkles of use and laundering, add an element of warmth and comfort, inviting you to relax and appreciate the beauty in life's simple, unfiltered moments. The color palette of the Wabi-Sabi living room is a celebration of earthy tones, muted greens, soft browns, warm grays, and touches of subdued blues. These colors evoke the essence of nature and provide a soothing backdrop for contemplation and relaxation. Imagine walls adorned with natural textures, such as imperfect plaster or rough-hewn stone, creating a connection to the raw and unrefined beauty found in the world outside. Embrace the imperfections of the natural world by incorporating elements of the outdoors into your living space. Large, unpolished stones become unique side tables, and a collection of driftwood or weathered branches arranged in a vase becomes a living sculpture. The inclusion of plants, whether potted or in the form of dried botanical arrangements, adds life and a sense of impermanence, reminding us of the ever-changing beauty of nature. Wabi-Sabi living embraces a form of mindful minimalism. Let go of excess and focus on what truly brings joy and meaning to your space. Select furniture with clean lines and a functional purpose, allowing each piece to shine in its simplicity. A clutter-free environment fosters a sense of calm, allowing you to fully appreciate the imperfect beauty that surrounds you. Soft, flickering candlelight creates a serene atmosphere, inviting you to slow down and savor the present moment. Choose candles in natural, unassuming containers, and allow the wax to drip and form its own unique patterns. The dance of candle flames becomes a metaphor for the impermanence of life, reminding us to find joy in each passing moment. The ultimate goal of the Wabi-Sabi living room is to cultivate inner peace. Create cozy corners for meditation or contemplation, with cushions and throws that beckon you to unwind. Consider incorporating elements of mindfulness, such as a small Zen garden or a carefully chosen piece of art that reflects the beauty of imperfection. As you navigate through this space, let the Wabi-Sabi philosophy guide you toward a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the imperfectly perfect. Wabi-Sabi living room, where every detail tells a story, and imperfections are not flaws, but rather an integral part of life's exquisite tapestry. In this haven of authenticity, find solace, beauty, and a profound sense of inner peace.